We got a beautiful red fox. Yeah! Thank you, Jesus. He may have a broken ankle now, so we are heading home.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today, me and my friend are going to be fixing a snow machine. The tie rod went out. So, without further ado, we will get outside.
Alright, there it is. There's the strut right there. Or whatever this is called. It's bent. Right there. So, I guess what we got to do is take this off and then put one from the junk rig over here onto it.
What?
Act like I know what I'm doing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, we got the hood off, the engine cover into the engine compartment, and we are going to be removing this. I'm replacing it. So, got some ice. Well, over here at the parts rig, gonna take off this bar. There we go. Well, almost there. I hear ptarmigan. That sounds like their alarm call. So, we're out here doing this, and we hear laughing. And why do we hear laughing? Because of that. It might be hard to see right now. There's a little blob that's running away from me, and it's white. And it is a ptarmigan. I just want to get you on camera. I don't want to shoot you right now. I can't shoot you here anyways. There it is. There they are. You see them? Whoa, there they are. Cool. Anyways, back to work. Well, got it off. There we go. Right. This thing. There we go. There we go. Well, second part of the process, one of the bulky wheels fell off, so we're replacing it. And they call him John C. Oh, okay. Well, got that wheel on.